Hello and welcome to the ICGUY. This is a short tutorial about commenting in C++. Comments are playing a crucial role in coding, so you need to be able to comment for your own ease and make your code look better. Actually, there are two ways to comment in C++. If you want to comment in front of a line, you can write two slashes and your comment. For example, in front of our age variable, I'll write two slashes and my comment, defining a variable to store user's age. So this line is considered as a comment. So if I write int or I don't know, char, these are not getting executed because this line is a comment. So I can write another comment as well, like clearing the console. Also, there is another way to comment in C++. In this way, you write a slash followed with an asterisk and another asterisk and a slash. Anything between these two asterisks are being considered as a comment, just like this. So I make some lines and now you can write your comments. So in this case, I add some information about my project, like project's name, the date, and some other informations. Now, if I run the project, nothing is being changed. We just add some comments like this, enter your age, and that's it. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you yes enjoyed. I would be very glad, very happy if you comment and like my video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.